Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Happy weekend to you. We are here again this hour to go through some of those things that matter to us. And I will encourage you to like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. Make sure you subscribe to this particular channel because we are here to set the record straight. Those of you that felt that we are picking on people, we are not picking on anybody. We are actually trying to set the record straight by making sure that we highlight on those things that people are using to confuse you or make it look like you are blind to see what is going on. What are we here for? We are here to do something that many of you already know. As you can see in the picture, Akprawa and his committee of friends, they have decided to pick on Maxwell Opara. Let me make it clear. I am not a fan of Maxwell Opara. I'm not his fan. Not that I don't hate him, but he's not my favorite lawyer. Not because he's not a good lawyer, maybe not because he's not good in his profession or his law career as a barrister. No. But there's something he did in the past that actually pushed me away from him. That is when he allowed himself to be used to persuade Mass Namadukano to denounce PM. You remember that video, right? Exactly. Since that moment, I begin to see him with one eye. Like, I don't take him serious. He's not my favorite. Okay? I don't want to go for that body. I just want to make it clear because some people will say, oh, yeah, defending Maxwell. Listen, he's not my favorite, but in as much as I'm not his fan, I think I have every right to say the truth. No matter how painful, no matter how you may think about it, saying the truth is what we are doing here, and that's what we are trying to continue to be doing. So, few days now, or for some weeks now, all right. But I have to say the one I know. For some days now, I don't know when the whole thing, when it started trending. The picture of Maxwell Opara contesting as someone who want to be in the Senate House, or I don't know, had been trending. He want to join the election 2027. He want to contest. These flyers have been trending. A lot of people have made comment on that, and I felt that it doesn't worth it. There's no need because I know. My mind told me that this is just one of those things people can do to blackmail one another or to target on somebody. So because of that, I refuse to react on it. But as day goes by, as we move forward, every blessed day, day by day, I'm seeing pictures and I'm seeing people making posts using this picture to mock and to say all manner of nonsensical things. Then I saw Eunice BP, of course, Akprawa, and many other people from OKPARA camp doing the same thing. The whole thing started from the camp of DOS. In case if you don't know, it started from the camp of DOS. They are the one that started sharing the picture, and I felt like this is another, propaganda, a way to blackmail or to make mockery of Mass Namadukano or something like that. But I cannot deny the fact that people that I saw it from their handle are DOS supporters, as you can see here. This person called Mazi Anakaran said, Maxwell Opara, where is your brother and your client, Namadukano? Maxwell, are you wicked? You are evil, and evil will catch you up, and all that. This is just one out of many Okay, this one is not from DOS though. This one is from OKPARA camp. The same thing, like I told you, Sonak Akprawa. Yeah, what is the name of the other lady called? The one that normally behave like a crazy woman. What is her name? Let me show you the picture, please. This person here, this lady here. Somebody, Aubrey Chicago, right? Aubrey Chicago. She's one of them. And another person from that camp is here doing the same thing. Now, this is the reason why I said, okay, let me clear air on this once and for all. So, Aubrey Chicago and many of them, like you are seeing the one on your screen now, like I told you, DOS are the one that started posting this initially. Now, OKPARA group, so now Akprawa a group, they have joined the same thing. Then I said, okay, I'm going to talk about it because we have to clear air on that. And what is the best way to talk about it is to check Maxwell to know, because if you are contesting, you have to use your platform to do that, right? Now, Maxwell, I don't know if he's if he has anything else account like Twitter account, but here on Facebook, he did not post anything like that. As you can see here, he's just making posts of other things. Okay, there's no recent post though. Okay, this is him. This is his account. He did not post any recent thing there. As you can see, like this is months ago, and February and April and all that. So that is his account here on Facebook. In case you don't know, maybe you may think that this guy report, are you sure this is his account? Look at the followers here. 306,000 followers, okay, and zero following of anybody. So that is why I said, okay, this must be his account. Now, let's move to another one. I asked myself a simple question. What is the party that this guy, the Maxwell, is running during his campaign, according to the people that are posting it? So you can see here. So I'm coming back to this. Let's go to OKPARA Chicago. This is OKPARA Chicago here. I can see OKPARA. I hope the video is showing properly. Okay, let me see if I can zoom it a little bit. Not this one. Okay, let's zoom it a little bit. So, okay, this is OKPARA Chicago. He said, "Can you get to your destination when your enemy are your driver? Imagine Mazda Kano, photo lawyer. You now understand why our leader started representing himself in court. Wisdom of load." That is OKPARA Chicago. And she did not end it there. She made this just today, right? She made this post with this message. Let me take the message back. Okay, start from here. I don't know if you can hear what she's saying. Let me increase the volume. Start from the beginning. Hear what she said, please.
Indigenous people of Biafra. Represent our leader. Our leader, Jackie, represent because wisdom there is a carry. Or carrying gold of telling the company now. Because some people want China will go to Zoom as I am not to that file. Now for the moon. I Jimako Nando Jackie web banker. I can be working at you. support on freedom. I can never follow me. None of very aquaga is it. Any agent
now, that is Obi Chicago, right? Reporting the same thing. Then when you come here, let's go to this one. Okay. Okay, let's start from Eunice and see what Eunice said. Eunice is here, and she said, Osino Sokoto declaration. Maybe I will talk about this on a separate video because it has to do with Sokoto declaration. Let me just drop apart. Let's move to Akprawa. Okay. Ejimako, where is your own flyer for Nigerian elections? Why are you hiding your own? Why Maxwell brings his own out earlier? Yet you guys are shouting Sokoto declaration for your family with Mas Namadukano brother. You are all a disgrace to our generation. That is Akprawa repeating the same thing, and he shared a post made by somebody, John Oyesley. I don't know if that is correct. He said, if you like, let people push you into problem. Let me push you into problem. Life will move on. Kano is in Sokoto. His lawyers is aiming to be in the grain chamber. Look at it. Now, I started by telling you that I did a little background to find out if this is true or not. Okay? And in my own findings, I noticed that it's not true. And hold it, just hear me out first. The people you are seeing here, look at the way they designed this picture. Very okay, right? Well, somehow polished. Then he said, we can do it 2027. NDC, that's the department that P2P has joined. And here, if you go through all this, it looks so real, right? But guess what? The logo here has umbrella, which is not supposed to be. The truth of the matter is that this party you are seeing here, remember, watch the logo again. Let's go back. You see the logo, how they designed the umbrella and everything here, the NDC, or you can come here as well. You see it in a better shape, right? Look at the logo here, this umbrella where they put NDC, National Democratic Congress. Is actually this logo, this party actually belongs to Ghana. It's a political party in Ghana. National Democratic Congress, Ghana. They are the one that has this logo and everything. So Maxwell Opara cannot just put this here, and person just search and he forgot to read it properly to know that this one belongs to Ghana and the political party in Ghana is not real. Okay. Now, when you read what you have, the National Democratic Congress (NDC), the Social Democratic Political Party, he said in Ghana, where they found where they found them by Jerry Rawlings. Naim be head of the state of Ghana and others. So this is just, you can see, it was founded in 28 July 1982. It's a political party in Ghana, not in Nigeria or as we speak. Now the NDC, the one of Nigeria, is the one. This is how the logo looks. Nigerian Democratic Congress, NDC. The sign is this, two hands on air. Now, did you see anything like that in what I'm showing you here? No. You see the umbrella. You see the coat of arms Nigeria here. This is just Biscobo. But people are so desperate to blackmail and run propaganda, they couldn't come down to verify or to check anything before they start, lambasting anybody they want to attack. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Because they all have a way of going after every other person. Since I have mentioned this Sokoto declaration, let's just do it here once and for all. Okay? Still on the attack on Maxwell Opara's lawyer from those who have never contributed anything other than to support Ogenkere, promoting criminality and making mockery of themselves, thinking they are making sense. This unit BP here, unit PB said, Osno Sokoto declaration, Alo Ejimako Zukwanike, you came with 100 men rhetoric and it did not work for you. Now it is Sokoto declaration with a man who a few days back referred to our leader as a Nigerian British broadcaster. Not even a Biafran freedom fighter, even after he was told who our leader Maxwell Opara is. The same man is still talking about how Nigerian election will change everything. Chai, it is not good to see you all playing with the freedom of over 70 million Biafrans. Same you, Aloy Ejimako, was warning the Nigerian terrorist government about the election rigging. How they must not rig the upcoming election. Like, seriously, are you really Maxwell Opara's lawyer or are you his client? Since you have failed to acknowledge the great effort of Briggy in Washington, D.C., you will continue to fail. But I assure you that through Briggy, our leader will be free. Mark my word. And she screenshots Sarah reporter whom reported this. Of course, my cannot corrected them already, have made a correction on them because they said, according to Sarah said, Namorokano U.S. lawyer to unveil Sokoto declaration on self-determination May 30th, which is a lie. Sahara misfired here and Mike Arnold have responded to that. I wanted to show you everything in a separate video, but since I mentioned it here, let's just go through it. Mike Arnold says something about the whole thing, and he just, he actually exposed Sarah reporter who made, whoever the person may be, who could not even identify who Mike Arnold is. So he made correction on that, because I told you, if you want to talk about Mike Arnold, don't lie against him. If you do, they will call you out. Now let's go back to Eunice, one of the worst women today. If you can't you can't why you search, you can't, let me start again. If you can't Bianco, can't do Cheshikalu, then you can't La Zuba, then you can't Nekachimeze, then you can't Eunice. You see, in this current time, this present time, these 5 women are a very big problem. Everything they touch turn to worst. Everything. Now, let's quickly respond to her. It is her write-up. First thing first, I don't want to talk about 100 men because that one is looks suspicious. I don't know if Maxwell Opara truly said it or not. Okay, I don't believe in that. I don't think it's workable. I don't know anything about it until they prove otherwise. Then again, she mentioned that Mike Arnold, because that is the person that when you talk about Sokoto declaration and say with a man who a few days back referred to our leader, Minimas Namnokan, as a Nigerian British broadcaster. Now listen, Mike Arnold may not know a lot about you. He actually mapped out his time to study, to understand what is going on. Go and read his write-up about British role and why British are afraid of Biafra coming. Many of you that claim that you know a lot, again, you don't even have any idea. I once have issue with his post where he said, "Stop separation. You are talking about Biafra, and you have not." He was saying that we should change tactics and all that. That video, I reacted on it. I poured my mind. I disagree with him on that. Of course, if I have my way to talk to him, I will still I will bring that question to him, just for him to clear on that. But that's a story from another day. Now, you talking about Mike Arnold, that he called Maxwell Opara this and that. Your leader, Ogenkere, a few days ago also, was celebrating that he managed to have handshake with him. Mike did not share anything about Ogenkere. Ogenkere shared Mike Arnold, and all of you celebrated it, and we were clapping and you are cheering him up. Because he told the whole world that Ogenkere going to Washington DC is achievable by anybody that can afford to pay their way to have handshake with any congressman. Ever since he made that speech, you guys have seen him as your enemy and all that. That's what I understand. So I'm saying this for people who may not know, to understand where your anger is coming from. Then down here you said it is not good to see you all playing with the freedom of 70 million Biafrans. The playing with 70 million Biafrans started immediately after the declaration of Biafra. I mean the recent playing with, with the freedom of 70 million people. Your Ogenkere, your leader now, decided to stabilize everything and created, fractions and hatred, dragging everything and spoiled a lot of things simply because you want to become prime minister, and you were busy cheering him up. And that is who is actually playing with the 70 million, in freedom of 70 million people? You or Aloy Ejimakor? Aloy Ejimakor is not a freedom fighter. He's not doing anything to stop whatever you are doing. They talked about Sokoto declaration, which is that one. We need more clarification on that. But I think USB government is in position to question them and try to find out what USB, Sokoto declaration is all about. Because all of you guys you're not in support of the referendum, USB declared. You guys said that you have not declared anything, that you're about to declare something, but you are looking for recognition before you declare yourself. That's how mad you guys sound to people that can think. How can you tell me that you are looking for recognition first before even declaring yourself? Because you guys said that USB declared is USB charger, USB Nigeria, meaning that you don't believe in that, you don't support it, you are not for that. Despite seeing your leaders and everybody present in that hall, supporting and the clapping and cheering and waving flags, you came back and began to have diarrhea of brain, because without you having diarrhea of brain, you would have remembered that your leader, Ogenkere, was there live, cheering it up. Ogechi, Ogechi. Can I remember that famous song of Ogenkere in Finland? That event was for what? Was it not for declaration? Now, you don't believe in that declaration. What are you doing? Not that you are working to declare your own. No. What you are doing now is to go to Finland, Washington DC, to have handshake with congressmen, to see people who are not dreaming to travel outside Nigeria, people who have never been to Togo. In fact, they have never even been to Lagos, let alone to Togo, Europe or America. Deceiving them, and they're cheering you up from their villages. These are something that you guys are doing, polluting genuine spirit, genuine mind, innocent people, corrupting them. They are making arguments that cannot even, explain. Some of you want to analyze something, but you don't want to study about what you want to analyze. Meaning that once you open your mouth, you begin to speak from both sides of your mouth without even thinking, without even, saying something that will make sense to anybody. You forgot that people have done research on what you are trying to analyze, and they can see through what you are saying. They know that what you are saying is not true, meaning that you end up disgracing yourself. Ogenkere playing with 70 million Biafrans, freedom of 70 million Biafrans, is something that you yourself are celebrating and cheering up every day by day. And you want people to just overlook that and do what actually? How can you just come up with this idea of Ogenkere, that since Aloy Ejimakor refused to acknowledge the great job, look at it here, since you have failed to acknowledge the great effort of Briggy in Washington, D.C., you will continue to fail. The question is, why don't you highlight those works? Remember, Aloy Ejimakor used to live in America. He may have access, he may know what is going on over there better than those in the village that are clapping for you. Do we have to travel to America to know this truth? No. and nobody lives in isolation. So we can actually find out what is going on and the reason why Odokere is doing what he's doing. Imagine Mike Arnold saying what he said publicly, though. Then imagine what you may say off camera about what Odokere is doing. I'm just saying. So have in mind that you are not the only one that have access to Washington DC. People actually know how deadly and how wicked some of you can be by proclaiming what you are not, professing what you said you have, professing one of achievement or fake achievement of your leader and all that. When it comes to show us the evidence, you will be running helter-skelter. There's nothing to acknowledge you. You said you want to be acknowledged for having handshake with congressmen without yielding any fruit. You are not ashamed of yourself. Anyway, my people, I don't want to say much because all this thing, this is not new thing. We have seen this. You have been on it. So it's not a new thing to us. Many of you know what I'm talking about because Sona Akprawa and their group are something else. They can lie and lie. You see, they don't do their finding. They don't do research. They don't pay attention, but they want to talk. I've shown you what Obi Chicago said, what Sona Akprawa said, and what Eunice BP said. And of course, my only two ways to dig deep to find out if this is true or not. As of now, the flyers shows that it is pure original fake. And Maxwell Opara did not post it. I even went to his website. There's nothing like that he's contesting for anything. Many people are writing on it without paying attention, without even checking if that is true, because they are so eager to use something against something to achieve something. They don't know that the more you go out to talk about what you're not sure of, the more people will see how crazy you are. Please let me know what you think about all of this because so far. God bless you and take care of yourself. Make sure you like the video. Don't forget to like, of course, and subscribe. Put your comments. Let us know what you think. And see you again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. See you again. Bye-bye.